So this is a Pelican case that we're going to send with the cylindrical mode filter shipment. And inside there's a lot of different things. We got some 40 gigahertz phase stability cables from Mori Microwave, which they donated to us for this demo, which was amazing. They gave us one long, it's a 292 inch. And then there's another one here that's shorter. I think it's like 92 inches or something. So this one can go from the network analyzer to the turntable, and then this one can go from the receive antenna to the network analyzer, which is closer. And then we have the 3116 antenna, which we're going to use in both vertical and horizontal polarization, and it comes with this, I don't know what you call, like stinger mount as well. So depending on your mast, you can attach it to your mast and run this in horizontal like this or vertical. And it has an amplifier that goes along with it. And so this is the adapter for the amplifier and cable. Then we have a 3185 antenna, which is biconical in here, vertically polarized, and the 3188, which is your horizontally polarized magnetic dipole. Both go from 18 to 40 gigahertz. Okay. Then we have a stand, which will go on the turntable. You'll see it afterwards. And it's going to hook up with this to hold the antennas. So there's a screw here, so set it on here and this screws in, just like this. And then the antennas will attach on here, and we can turn these little nylon screws in order to securely hold it. Okay, thank you.